Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting opportunity for all college students and fresh graduates out there. If you're looking to kickstart your career with one of the top IT companies, then this video is for you. We're talking about the TCS iON National Qualifier Test 2024. Let's dive in. So, what is the TCS iON NQT? The TCS iON National Qualifier Test, or TCS iON NQT, is a comprehensive assessment designed by Tata Consultancy Services to evaluate your core cognitive abilities and corporate readiness. This standardized, high-quality benchmark test is open to college students from any stream who are in their pre-final or final year, as well as freshers with less than 2 years of experience. Now, who can apply for this test? Here are the eligibility criteria. Pre-final or final year students of any stream or degree. Students passing between 2019 to 2025 who are looking for a job. Working professionals with up to 2 years of experience. You should be between 18, 28 years of age. Have a minimum of 60% or 6.5 CGPA throughout your academic career. Have a maximum of 1 active backlog at the time of the exam. Freshers with less than 2 years of experience. Batches, 2018 to 2024. Let's talk about the test details. The NQT Cognitive Skills Test is a prerequisite for all other tests. The NQT scorecards are valid for 2 years and can be used to apply for jobs on the TCS iON job listing platform. Conducted online, at home, and in physical centers. Flexibility to apply in each quarter, giving you multiple attempts to improve your score. No negative marking. Results are displayed on your NQT scorecard. Here's how you can apply for the TCS iON NQT 2024. 1. Go to the TCS National Qualifier Test, TCS NQT page and click on the Register Now button. 1. Log in if you already have an account or create a new one. 1. Enter your TCS iON Digital Learning Hub credentials or sign up as a new user. 1. Fill in all the required details accurately. 1. Click on the Submit button to complete the registration. 1. You'll receive a confirmation message on your email and mobile number. Mark your calendars. The last date to apply for this examination is July 4th, 2024. The test is scheduled to be held on July 17th, 2024. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Apply for the TCS iON NQT 2024 by clicking the link provided in the description and take the first step towards a successful career with TCS. If you found this information useful, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on career opportunities.